Hi, I'm Andrew, Account Executive at Abacum. Today I'm going to show you how you can manage your corporate performance workflows directly within our platform. By doing this in Abacum, you'll always have immediate and reliable data at your fingertips, helping you make better decisions faster. Here we have spaces. Spaces are going to be our main areas for collaboration and reporting. Over here on the left, we see that we have a couple different spaces. This can be completely customizable for your business. On this first one on the right, we have a performance review space for a B2B SaaS company, but that being said, you can have different KPIs for whatever is important to your business. As you can see as well, we have a revenue planning space, a headcount planning space, an OpEx space where someone like your head of marketing could be permissioned and provisioned just for them to be able to do things like creating their budget and then later in the year do a reforecast. Additionally too, we have a cash space just for cash runway and liquidity, as well as a data room that could be allocated for your investors. Additionally too, on the left, we have our model section. You can think of this as the existing tabs in your spreadsheet where we're combining the various data sources we're bringing into Abacum and running the formulas to output the numbers we're seeing here on the right. And the last thing I'll mention right now is that on the dataset section, you can see we're bringing in real-time data from your CRM, your ERP, your headcount, business intelligence tool, and whatever is important to your business in terms of pertinent financial and operational metrics and details. And so, as you can see here, you can visualize your data in whatever way is most powerful for your business. We have some KPI cards here. Additionally, different charts. We have bar charts, line charts, you name it. But what's really powerful within Abacum is our collaboration features. Here you can see we're assigning a task to George, asking to update commentary for month end by working day 2. Here we can trigger an email or a Slack notification to that person. Additionally too, you can even leave comments. You can ask your head of sales, hey Michael, what is the deal with the variance with the forecasts and the actuals? And that will also trigger an email or a Slack notification. Ultimately, this is what drives adoption into Abacum, but also drives accountability when you're doing things like running a budget process or asking for headcount and running approvals like I mentioned earlier. Additionally too, you can have multimedia within Abacum. As you can see here, we have a video from our CEO. An example of how you can be using this is Abacum internally. When we raised our Series B, our CEO implemented videos next to all the tables and charts to tell the stories behind the numbers. The last thing I'll mention here is everything here is customizable. You can drag and drop. Additionally too, you can add new tables, charts, KPI cards, data sets, an org chart as well. Everything here is completely customizable for whatever makes the most sense for your business. This means no more switching between systems, so you have the full granularity you need right here. Finance teams today spend too much time fixing their data and not enough time analyzing it, and Abacum changes that. By ensuring the data quality, saving time, and enabling deeper insights, we help finance teams become the true strategic partners in their organizations. If you'd like to learn more about corporate performance management in Abacum, head over to abacum.ai. Thanks. See you next time.